Alright, what's up you guys? Been trying to film this thing like a few times now, but I keep losing my train of thought. Anyways, I tried to put this video together. When I was doing the editing, I just felt like it was so freaking boring, and I haven't done a riding video like this in a while. This is a story on how complicated a wheel swap was for me. Got home from work, looked on OfferUp just to kind of fart around on there to see what kind of stuff I can get for this Dyna. When I got home, I checked and it said posted 1 hour ago, 13 spoke mags for Dyna. And I about shit myself because they are so freaking hard to find. He's already had powder coat on them. They already had the bearings pressed in for the bike. They had tires on here already, which were actually the same tires that were originally on my bike, but this guy had only put in like 800 miles on these tires. So brand new tires, pretty much, fresh powder coat. I don't know how true this is, but the guy said that the wheels are brand new themselves too. He got them from some company in Vegas. I'm not sure the name of the company, but I find it hard to believe that these Dyna rims are brand new. Picked them up from the guy, got home. Wheel spacers did not fit. The hubs on my original wheels were much wider, so the other spacers that I had did not fit whatsoever. So I called up Tracker Die, and they're in Corona, California. It's only about like an hour and a half drive to them from my spot. So I was like, screw it, I'll just drive out there on Monday and get some new wheel spacers. Drive out there. It took like 3 hours to get there because there was a massive accident on the 15. So it took a long time. Finally get there, get my wheel spacers. They were kind enough to like part out and just give me the front wheel spacers because that's really all I needed. Got home, those didn't work. I'm pretty sure if you put in the bearings and everything like that was in the kit that was sold by Tracker Die, they said they can guarantee that to fit, so I didn't really listen, nor did I want to pull out the bearings that were already installed in here. So put that in there, find out the wheel spacers don't fit. I found a spacer lying around that I already had, and then one of the Tracker Die spacers that I had, together they were exactly the same length, but each spacer was a little bit different in diameter or length, but I needed 2 of the identical size. So I ended up the next day calling around, even hit up Harley, and they're like, yeah, we don't even have wheel spacers in stock. I called up a local guy, only 10 minutes from my house too. I think it's like Citywide Cycles or something like that. Specializes in like Harley repair, I believe. The guy was super nice right off the bat. I told him kind of the situation that I had, and he's like, bring your spacers by and we'll see what we got. Went in the back for like 5 minutes, came back out, and he had 2 spacers, perfect size, identical lengths, and now my wheel is sitting perfect. So all in all, it was a kind of a nightmare of a process to try to find wheel spacers to get this thing to ride right. I didn't think they would be so difficult, but it goes to prove that you know, things don't always work out perfect, but just like remain calm, you'll figure it out. I bought this bike back in November of last year. Today is April 30th of filming, and I've done so much. I'll put the picture originally up here of the bike. This bike's gone through a complete transformation, and I almost like riding it more than my lowrider at this point. But I love this bike. This bike keeps getting better and better. I'm so stoked on how it's turned out so far. But for anybody that's looking to put mags on their Dyna, like everybody in the world is, just be aware that the wheel spacers might be something to keep in mind. My rear went on just fine. That wasn't an issue whatsoever, but for whatever reason, my front wheel was just a little different. Thank you if you guys will watch this. Hope it was fascinating for you guys. Me struggling just to find 2 little simple parts. But I'm so stoked they don't have this stupid fucking chrome wheels on here anymore. The mags look way fucking tighter. Thank you. Hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Guys, thank you very much for watching. All seriousness, I appreciate all you guys. You stay safe riding out there, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.